Hello, everybody. This is SashaMoniqueTalks. Hello, my friends. So today, I'm doing a taste test. You know, some of them taste tests I'll be doing, sometimes the stuff is good and sometimes it's not. So I'm going to show you the product that I'm going to be testing today. And it's called the Syrena Carrot, Apple, and Orange Nectar. So I got this from a store in my area, and they carry like a lot of West Indian foods and drinks and Spanish food, African food, stuff like that. So I'm a little nervous about this one because I'm not a carrot juice drinker, but maybe with the apple and orange, it may surprise me. Okay. So again, that's what it looks like. I cannot open it. Okay, let me smell it. You smell mostly the orange in here. I don't smell no apple. So let me try it. Just a little bit. Let's see. I'm really surprised. It tastes pretty good. I don't taste the carrots at all. Not at all. It's orange like carrots, but you don't taste the carrot. I'm surprised with this one. Let me get some more of that. Ooh. Very good. The only thing that I wish it wasn't, it's kind of thick, but nectars are usually thick anyway. This thing is good. Syrena, or whatever your name is, honey. You did your thing with this. This thing is so good. Ooh, delicious. I will be buying this again. So if you see this in your local store, pick some up. If you see it at Walmart, I don't know if Walmart sells this, but they may. Because they have the Spanish and different products too, international products and stuff. Get this, y'all. Get it. You can't taste that carrot. You cannot taste the apple. All I'm mainly is tasting the orange nectar. So this is the end of my review of the Syrena Carrot Apple Orange Nectar. Y'all fooled me this time. I was ready to like tear my face up and not like it. I'm gonna tell you what would be real good in this. If you put vanilla ice cream in it on the top, or either like mix this vanilla ice cream with this in to make like a shake, that would be so good. So I will be back trying some more products. It's always good when you get a good one. Always. Y'all have a great day, okay?